Imagine sacrificing everything to uncover the universe's deepest secrets. Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into the truly extraordinary life of Marie Curie. We're talking about a pioneer who literally defied every single odds stacked against her to win not one, but two Nobel Prizes, and in two entirely different fields, physics and chemistry. But her journey goes way beyond just the historical facts. It's really this deeply human story about how an unrelenting dedication to curiosity can literally illuminate the world. So what really drives someone to sacrifice everything for the truth? Well, for Marie Curie, it was a lifelong, almost consuming quest to understand the unknown. Just picture her as a young immigrant student in Paris, basically surviving on nothing but bread and tea. She became absolutely captivated by this mysterious, invisible energy coming from certain rocks. That pure, unwavering urge to just seek and understand, it completely paved the foundational way for modern atomic science. Okay, let's dive right into this with Section 1, the pioneer's first steps, breaking boundaries. Looking at the timeline of her life, those early years were really defined by the sheer courage it took to break through the rigid social boundaries of her time. I mean, she didn't just casually stroll into a laboratory. She had to boldly fight for her place in the fiercely male-dominated world of the Sorbonne in Paris. Her immense curiosity, that relentless drive to seek out new things, propelled her from a life of systemic limitations to the absolute pinnacle of science. It just proves that deep perseverance can elevate you from profound restrictions to creating world-altering impacts. Moving right along to Section 2, Precision in Nature, the Scientific Truth. And this brilliantly illustrates her core values. Because her success wasn't just born from raw passion, it was driven by a fiercely methodical approach. To isolate just a tiny fraction of a gram of a brand new element she named radium, she and her husband, Pierre, literally spent years stirring boiling cauldrons of toxic pitchblende in a leaky, freezing shed. Think about that for a second. That kind of grueling work requires unwavering focus, meticulous accuracy, and total dedication. She poured herself completely into the research, turning her curiosity into concrete, undeniable breakthroughs. Which brings us to Section 3, Resilience in the Dark, Overcoming the Odds. The path of a pioneer is rarely easy, and Marie faced some incredibly dark periods. After the tragic and sudden death of her husband, she was, understandably, utterly devastated. Yet she survived the most difficult conditions without giving up. She channeled all of that immense grief directly into her work, eventually taking over his teaching post to become the very first female professor at the Sorbonne. She proved, without a doubt, that true resilience is maintaining your commitment even when your entire world falls apart. Now, let's explore Section 4, the core traits, simplicity and independence. So the crucial point is how she lived her life, with profound simplicity, and that's what makes her story so incredibly relevant today. Despite achieving monumental greatness, again, 2 Nobel Prizes, she remained completely unpretentious. And the ultimate proof of this highly ethical approach? She intentionally refused to patent her radium isolation process. She sacrificed what could have been immense personal wealth, simply because she believed that scientific truth belonged to the whole world, especially to the medical community treating cancer. Alongside that simplicity was a fierce, undeniable independence, which really means relying entirely on your own capabilities and strength to push past societal and scientific boundaries. When World War I broke out, she didn't just sit around and wait for the establishment to act. She independently developed mobile X-ray units. They were known as little Curies, and she personally drove them right to the front lines to treat wounded soldiers. She possessed the intellectual and physical courage to just forge her own path. Finally, we arrive at Section 5, the eternal legacy, a blueprint for greatness. Marie Curie left us a very concrete blueprint for human progress: curiosity, perseverance, precision, dedication, and intellectual courage. All great leaps forward are born from this exact combination of traits. And, as a really wild, surprising testament to her literal lasting impact,
Her laboratory notebooks, and actually even her cookbooks, are still so radioactive today that they have to be kept in lead-lined boxes. No joke, her energy truly is eternal.
Which brings us to the ultimate takeaway of this explainer. We've seen how she planted the seeds of modern science through her simple, independent, and fiercely resilient spirit. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought. How will you use your own discipline and curiosity to contribute to our world? Take a page out of Marie Curie's profound blueprint. Commit to the truth, find your intellectual courage, and never, ever stop learning.